today I'm working on a 2008 Dodge Avenger 2.4 liter. Customer complaint, check engine light. I didn't diagnose it. They brought me the part. So I'm not going to diagnose it. I can't show you that setup, but I will show you where the sensor is. Getting a p0339 crank position sensor intermittent. So customer thinks it's a sensor, but he can't get to it. Well, anyways, you're gonna have, there's one bolt up here, and then there's another bolt that we're gonna have to take off. So however which way you do want to take it off, you can access it from the top, but it's easier if you go from under the car and get it. For the top bolt, you would get from up top, and then the bottom bolt that's holding the heat shield, you would get from the bottom. If you haven't already, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions, and hit that subscribe button for more upcoming videos in the future. And we'll go ahead and start this video after the intro. So first things first, for jacking up points, I'm only going to show you because I have ramp, so I drove it up on here. You can jack it up from this little bar right here above the strut mount, and then you can put your jack stands on the subframe right there. So one right there, one right there. On this piece, you can put it where the bolts are at. Just be very careful. I put on my emergency brakes. All right, so coming from right here where the oil pan's at, so looking right here where the transmission and the motor meet, there's going to be that little heat shield that's right there. So you see that right under the exhaust manifold. I believe those are 13 millimeters that are holding in the heat shield. So there's one right there, and then the other one is right up there, that bolt with that little shield. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and take off those. You're going to need a deep socket from up there. You probably can just get away just by bending in that little bar, because honestly all we need is just to get to that top bolt that's right up there, and that's pretty much it. But yeah, I'm going to see if I can sneak it out without taking off that top piece. Alright, so yeah, we'll just bend this up, and then we'll just take off that bolt that's up there. So right there, that's going to be your crank position sensor. So that's going to be a 10 millimeter that's holding that bolt. So we're going to go ahead and unplug the sensor itself. So right there, there's going to be a tab. You're just going to go ahead and press that. So we'll just press this guy right here. So just like that, we just squeeze right here, and then we'll pull it back. Here's the sensor. Now before putting in the new sensor, make sure you lubricate that O-ring. And then as you're putting it in, just make sure you are spinning it in. And then we'll go ahead and put in our sensor wire. And then we're going to go ahead and put in our little shield.